Definitely saw some pretty strong performance out of energy today. Tech's a little bit of an interesting story. So if you take a look at the semiconductors, they actually closed higher than energy themselves, but tech definitely gave back some of those gains initially. So I'll be watching to see how some of these more cyclical sectors like tech and industrial do tomorrow going into the weekend, because we do have the G-20 out of the weekend, and I think we're going to want to hear some progress on the trade front out of the G-20.
What do you make of the size of the move in Micron?
Well, I think it was interesting that maybe selling got a little bit overdone on the downside, but it was one thing for Micron. If you looked at where it was trading, it was really trading at the bottom of this well-defined range that we had seen lately, and I don't think it really was going to take much to get investors to really want to come back in there and push Micron up a little bit higher, but it's worth noting that it's still well off of its highs.
You're watching Nike earnings out tomorrow. How much of a bellwether is that going to be?
I think it's going to be very important for the consumers. One, we've heard a little bit of a softening out of consumer sentiment in China, and that was a major growth area for them in their last report. And they were already starting to show some weakness in North America, and we had that little bit of a drop in consumer sentiment earlier this week. So it will be interesting to see what they do. Right where they're trading at right now is a pretty well-defined support level. I don't really see a significant price level if they do start selling off down until we get down towards 78. And right now the options market's telling us to expect the range to be about $3.90 in either direction post earnings.
Shawn Cruz, thanks for joining us. Let's end